guys, I am back with another video and I've used this Philips Advanced Kerashine Hair Straightener. It's BHS 378 and many of you have requested me to create curls using this hair straightener. When you create curls with the same hair straightener which you use for straightening purpose also and curling purpose also. So this is that kind of hair straightener. So I've already done a detailed review on this hair straightener, so you can check out the other videos if you want to know a lot more details about how it performs in terms of straightening your hair. So you can check that video. First reason why I selected this hair straightener only because of the barrel like shape of this hair straightener. Very important features that you must see in your hair straightener if you want to use that particular hair straightener for curling purpose also. First thing, the hair straightener should be very sleek and long plated. As you can see, this hair straightener comes with a sleek and long plate. Likewise, I have the other hair straightener. This is from Vega, just to show you guys, like give you a clear vision. So these kind of hair straightener is useful in terms of creating curls because these are sleek and long plated hair straightener. So you can go with any of these kind of straighteners. The second thing you have to see in the hair straightener is the temperature. The temperature of the hair straightener, it must be in between 210 to 230 degrees Celsius because we are creating curls. So for curling purpose, we always need high heat temperatures. So in curling process, we kind of twist our hair, we create certain pattern on the hair. That's why we need more heat in comparison with the straightening. So you must check for the hair straightener which comes in between the temperature of 210 to 230, then only you will be able to achieve very long lasting, smooth, and the curling process will be very quick as well. And the third very important feature is the coating of the hair straightener. Let's say because we are creating curls, we are working on the high heat temperature, so it's not that good for the hair also because it damages our hair. So it's very important to minimize those damage during the curling process. So we need a really good coating on the plates of the hair straightener. So you can either go with the keratin infused ceramic coated plates or you can go with the titanium plate with ceramic coating. So these are the kind of good quality coatings that comes with the hair straightener. So this hair straightener, the Philips Advanced Hair Straightener, it comes with keratin infused ceramic coating which is really nice, and now I'm going to show you how to create curls with this hair straightener. So let's just begin. You can see right now my hair is straight. So these are the products I will use. Firstly, I will use Streaks Hair Serum. It will work as a heat protectant for my hair and prevent my hair from getting damaged from high heat because we are creating curls. So definitely we have to work on high heat temperature. And then I'm going to be using Gatsby hair setting spray. This is a setting spray that you can use it at the end of after finishing your curls to set your curls, to fix your curls for all day longer. I will use this tail comb just to section my hair. And so firstly we will see how it works on the minimum heat temperature. So I'm going to be curling my hair at 160 degrees Celsius, which is the lowest heat of this hair straightener, and let's see how it performs on my hair. So I'm going to divide my hair in 3 sections. I'm going to work from the lowest heat, that is 160 degree, to the highest heat temperature of this hair straightener. First of all, I will straighten my hair to avoid any kind of frizz and make my hair appear smooth. Usually I like to create curls like that, and the curls also become very long lasting if you create curls on a very hot hair. So after straightening, I'll just take my hair straightener and I will press my hair, and then I will twist my hair, and slowly I'll just bring it downward, and let's see how it performs at 160. So this is how my curls turned out at 160 degrees Celsius at minimum heat temperature. And next we're going to see at 200 degrees Celsius. Let's fix the temperature at 200. Now I'm going to straighten my hair and I will twist my hair at 200 degrees Celsius. As you can see, some steam is coming out from my hair, which is actually the hair serum, so nothing to worry about. Alright, so at 200 degrees Celsius, this is how the curl will turn out. As you can see, at high heat temperature, you will be able to achieve like very tight curls, and these tight curls are also very long lasting. So this is how it looks at medium heat temperature. Next, we're gonna see how it performs at the maximum heat, which is the 230 degrees Celsius. I've already fixed the straightener at 230. So I have created my curls at the maximum heat temperature of 230, and it also exactly looks similar like how we created on the medium heat temperature like 200 degrees. So but 230 was a little bit quicker in comparison with the 200 degrees Celsius, whereas 160, which is the lowest heat, the curl is kind of getting opened now and it's not that intense and long lasting. So if you want to create softer curls, then you can go with minimum heat temperature. So next I'm going to be curling my complete hair, and I will curl at 230 degrees Celsius, which is the maximum heat of this hair straightener. And I just want to work on the highest heat temperature just to make the curling process a little bit quicker, because I'm shooting the video and I want to be a little bit quicker. So yeah. So guys, I have curled my hair and I used 230 degrees Celsius temperature, which is the high heat temperature, to create curls on my hair. And the process of the curling was very quick, and I was able to achieve curl like this. The curl looks very beautiful. It's very long lasting. It is not getting opened also. So this is how my curl looked, and I worked at high heat temperature, but still I would say the heat was not very harsh for my hair like any other hair straightener. At the very first go and at the very first slide, you will not feel that harshness and the burning sensation on your hair texture. That's really good about the plates of this hair straightener. That is very impressive, because I have used several other hair straighteners for curling purpose, and I have worked at maximum heat of 230 with other hair straighteners also, which is the highest heat. And I must say, with those hair straighteners, you know, when you firstly slide the hair straightener in your hair at high heat temperature, you will experience certain, you know, burning sensation, some harshness and some noise you can hear. If you have worked with the high heat temperature, you can understand. It was not that harsh on my hair. It was equally and constantly distributing the heat throughout the curling process, which is amazing. And I really like the plate of this hair straightener. So that's really nice about the plate, which means it minimizes the heat damage, and it evenly distributes the heat and protects your hair from like getting damaged. So these are the good thing about the plates of the hair straightener. And for the long run uses, for straightening purpose and curling purpose, it works really nice. You know, it minimizes the high heat damage. So the overall the curling process was very quick and smooth. As you can see, the curl shape is little bit bigger, and this big shape is just because of the thickness of the hair straightener. If you work with the slimmer hair straightener, then the curl pattern will be smaller and it will be more tight. Whereas if you work with a thick body hair straightener, then the curl shape will be bigger, and it takes comparatively lesser time. Let's take an example of this Vega hair straightener. If we compare both of these hair straightener, Philips Advanced Kerashine hair straightener creates big size curl in comparison with the Vega hair straightener, because this is slimmer in comparison with the Philips Kerashine hair straightener. Outer portion and the top part of the actual plate, it gets heated up during, you know, when you work on high heat temperature. So this becomes very hot, and at that time it also supports in terms of maintaining the heat underneath your hair, like when you wrap your hair all around. So it equally distributes the heat underneath the hair also and on the top parts also, because all of these you know, top section is very hot. So it's very helpful in terms of, you know, creating the curls, and that's really nice about this hair straightener. But you know, during the straightening process, if this get heated up, then it's a drawback. So guys, the only inconvenient thing that I have noticed about this hair straightener during the curling process, because the shape of this hair straightener from the side is more sharp edged, It's not like a barrel like shape, it's not very smooth or curl. If we talk about these sides of the plates, it's kind of edgy and it's very sharp, and when you slide the hair straightener, the hair will get stuck on the edges of this hair straightener, and it is little bit inconvenient when you are pulling and you are sliding the hair straightener. So the process is not that smooth, I would say, but still it's not that very inconvenient. But this is something that I have noticed because I have used several other hair straighteners for curling purpose. And let's say if we take example of the Vega hair straightener, and if you see the edges of the hair straightener, it's not very sharp edge, it's like it has this barrel like shape. If you can see, these edges are very there is nice curve on the edges of these hair straightener if you compare it with the Philips hair straightener. So overall, I would say this hair straightener can be used for both the purpose, for straightening and curling purpose also. It's very quick and smooth. You can create the curls, so you can achieve the result like this. You can achieve a very nice curls and presentable hair. You can do different presentable hair stylings also with this hair straightener. It comes with different temperature modes, so it's like really nice, and the plates are very good. It evenly distributes the heat throughout the curling process. You will not face any kind of issues. If you wanted to know how to straighten with this hair straightener, there is a separate video on my channel. You can check that out. Also guys, if your hair texture is very smooth and silky and it's kind of semi-straight, then for curling you have to work on like a temperature between 200 to 230. You have to work on high heat temperature. Then only you will be able to achieve that spring like shape and curl patterns on your straight hair, because it's little bit difficult to create curls and patterns on a very smooth and semi-straight kind of hair. So make sure that you work on high heat temperature if you want to create curls, but still for the straightening purpose you can work on minimum and low heat temperature also, and it will work for you. So you can adjust the temperature as per your convenience. There are 6 different temperature settings, so you can work from low to medium to high heat temperature as per your hair texture, as per your convenience, and that's really nice about this hair straightener. So I bought this hair straightener for 3,695 rupees. You can check the pricing on Amazon and Flipkart. Most of the time there is certain attractive discount on this hair straightener, so you can check for the current pricing. So guys, this is all about Philips Kerashine Advanced Hair Straightener BHS 378, and that's all about this video. If you have any queries related to the straightener, you can let me know in the comment section down below, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated with lot of helpful and useful videos like this. You can check out other videos related to the hair straightener and hairstyling tool on my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram so that we can stay connected. And that's all about the video. See you all very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.